So we marked everything correctly, and then boom, as you can see, the price almost instantly hits our take profit and we made money with this easy sell in consolidation. If you're just getting into day trading, you may be struggling to make money at first. Maybe your strategy is wrong, maybe your trading psychology is wrong, or maybe you just don't know what to do. Day trading is a great way to make extra income, but it can be dangerous for beginners and anyone else who doesn't have a great working trading strategy. Fortunately, there are many day trading strategies that can be used in order to make money in the financial markets. Hey guys, my name is Lucas, this is Magic Markets, and today I will show you how you can make money using simple consolidation strategy. So first of all, when you want to use this strategy, you need to identify market conditions correctly. So we have only 3 different types of market conditions. We have an uptrend, we have a downtrend, and also we have a side moving market. Let's go over each of them separately so we can better understand how you can identify market conditions. Firstly, the general direction of the market is upwards, so basically the price is slowly climbing up. Then what you can do is look at the lows of the price. So here we have our first low, and then as you can see, the second low is higher than this low. And then we can look at other lows of the price. Then we have other one over here and over here. And again, if we compare them by each other, we can see that this low is much higher than this low. And that means that the price is climbing upwards. Same goes when we are in a downwards moving structure or a downtrend. First of all, let's look at the general direction of the market. We can see that the market and the price is definitely going in a downwards direction. And then we can see at the highs of the price, we have our first high over here. Then we have our second high and our third high. So we can definitely see when we compare them that this high is lower than this high. And this high is lower than this high, and that means that we are slowly moving downwards and we are definitely in a downtrend. And now let's look at the most important structure for us in order to use this strategy, which is consolidation or side moving market. Now, as you can tell from the name, a side moving market is neither going upwards, neither going downwards, but rather it is going sideways. So now if we look at the price right here, if we look at the general direction, as you can see, the price is a bit climbing up, but still overall we have a side moving market. If we take these pieces separately, we can see that over here the market is definitely moving sideways. It has no clear direction. And over here, again, same situation, the market is moving sideways with no clear direction. And if you look at the highs and the lows of a side moving market, they will definitely be somewhere on the same horizontal level. As you can see, this low right here is at the same high as this low on the same horizontal level. That means that over here we have a consolidation or side moving market level. And if we look at the top, as you can see, this high, this high, this high, and this high, and this high, they are all on the same level, neither moving upwards, neither going downwards, but rather on the same horizontal level. So this is how you identify the side moving market, and we will use these side moving market conditions for our strategy. Now let's look at how you can mark this consolidation so you can have a better trading map and you will have a better understanding of where to open your buy and sell positions to make money. So the first thing that we do is here identify that we have a side moving market. We look at the lows of the price, we look at the highs of the price, and we see that they are on the same level. Now the thing that we have to mark in our side moving market is what is called a channel. Marking a channel is relatively easy. You have to find the horizontal level which rejects the price. So again, if we look at these lows of the price, we can see that they are all being rejected from the same bottom level over here. So we can mark a horizontal line. Boom. So we marked our line, and then in order to be even more accurate, we can mark a zone, because the horizontal level is usually not a line but rather a zone. Then simply we move on to the top of the price and we look at the same thing as in here. We look at the highs of the price. So we have our high here, we have our high here, here and here. And if we look just with our mouse, we can see that they are all being rejected somewhere exactly from the same horizontal level. And then when we mark our line, again, as you can see, sometimes the top doesn't touch the line, so we mark a zone because horizontal levels are usually zones. Boom. And now we have a perfect channel and we can trade. By now we can see so many great opportunities to buy and sell in the markets and make money. So first of all, when the market is at the bottom level of the price, we are interested in buying. And then when the price goes up and touches the top level and then it is being rejected, that is an indication for us to open a sell position. And same goes throughout the whole channel. As you can see here, we should buy and then the price goes up. Here we should sell and then the price goes downwards. Here we should buy, here we should buy, and same goes throughout this whole channel. So now that you know how to identify and mark consolidation, we can move on to actually trading in consolidation. So this is the current situation of the market. First of all, let's go over through our checklist. So first of all, let's see the general direction. As you can see, the market is definitely moving sideways with no clear up or down direction. Then if we look at these lows right here, we see that they are basically on the same horizontal line. And then if we look at the top, again, they are on the same horizontal line moving sideways. So the last thing that we need to do is mark everything up and then look for potential entries. Now, in terms of marking, what you need to have is at least 2 touches to the same channel. So as you can see over here, we have one low and then we have the second low. So what we can do is again mark our horizontal line, then mark a zone, and now we have 2 touches. And the last thing that we need to do is mark a top channel. Now let's look at these highs right here. As you can see, we have one high over here. We have our second high. So we mark our horizontal line, then we mark our channel resistance. So now we have support and resistance of the channel, and we can look where we could potentially open our positions. Now, when you have at least 2 touches, as you can see over here, we have 1 touch, then we have second touch. That means that here our level of channel is confirmed, and here the price is at the bottom of the support. That means that we should open a buy position. Now, when you're opening a position, always leave some breathing room for the price. So let's make at least 25 pips. And then in terms of take profit, if you want to be safe and conservative, never go for take profit at the resistance of the channel, because sometimes the price will go in your profit and then reverse. So in order to counteract that, what you can do is put your take profit somewhere at the 60% of the channel, so somewhere over here. Now let's play the price and see what will happen. Boom, as you can see, the channel is working, and then boom, your take profit is hit exactly where you predicted. So now, very simple situation. Again, now the price reached the top, so we can look at the tops of the price. First of all, over here we have our first high, which was rejected from this channel. Then we have our second high, which was rejected from this channel right here, and then the third high rejected from the same channel. So now we have 3 rejections, which is really strong, and we know that this level is working. So when the price touches and goes a little bit above the level, we are interested in selling. So we marked everything correctly, and then boom, as you can see, the price almost instantly hits our take profit, and we made money with this easy sell in consolidation. Then to finish up, you basically repeat the same pattern of buying and selling. Here we could potentially open a buy position, then here we should sell, here we should open a buy position, and basically you do that until the price breaks out of consolidation. And you know when the price will break out, because then the highs and the lows of the price will either be higher than consolidation or lower, and that means that the price has found its structure, it's trend, and that means that you should stop trading. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. I do a lot of these in my channel. So if you're interested, you can check out my indicators masterclass or my moving averages masterclass or even supply and demand masterclass. Whatever you want, you'll find in this channel. So if you guys like this episode, leave that like button, subscribe, and see you in the next one.